Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and new latest stylish ideas for girls and women. Beautiful and latest styling. Like different, here are some creative crochet handbags ideas to inspire your next project and like combine different stitches, French and beige for a bohemian by design. Bare bag transition between shadows of a single color for a subtle and stylish gradient effect. Lace overlay bag crochet a lacy overlay on top of a solid base for an elegant and delicate appearance. Textured tote experiment with textured stitches like popcorn, bubble and cable stitches to create a hugely appealing texture. And different colorful stitch pattern with different color for a trendy eye-catching look. You can find crochet pattern for this design online or create your own custom design by experimenting with different stitches and yarns. Color. Happy crocheting. Clutch elegant and perfect for formal ascension. Crossbody bag, a smaller bag with a long strap, ideal for hand-free conveyance. There are countless crochet handbags designed to choose from. Here are few ideas. Feel free to ask for comment section and please respond your feedback.